Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, we'll start the session. Anyone completed the numericals what I gave yesterday? Guys, anyone done? See, genuinely, I'm not going to shout or I'm not going to ask why you are not doing. I'm not going to ask any explanation from you people. Just I'm asking whether you're done. If you're not done, we will do now. Guys, some response. Either yes or no. Other than that, I think we don't have any answers. Either yes or no. Something you have to say. Guys, you there?
Yes, sir.
Anyone done?
Sir, I didn't complete, sir.
Yes. Next.
Sir, I did not complete, sir.
No, at least done something or completely not touched. Because before going to next topic, you people are, I can understand you are having the school, you are having the different works and the project works assigned. If not done, we will discuss these numericals and we will move to the next one. For that, I'm asking. I'm not asking you why you are not done. Yeah. Shall we proceed to the first question? Show that 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Or we'll come back. Yes, we'll start from the first. Show that 7 root 5 is an irrational. How to do this question? Anyone? Anyone can guide me? Show that 7 root 5 is an irrational number. How we can say, guys? Quick.
First, we have to assume them as rational.
First, I have to assume them. This is an
Rational number, sir. We
Rational
assume it
number.
as a rational number.
Assume 7 root 5 is a rational number. Say or. Assume 7 root 5 is a rational number. R. So 7 root 5 is equal to R. So R is a rational number. So after this, so I can write root 5 is equal to R by 7. Where R is a rational number and 7 also a rational number. So a rational number divided by another rational number also a rational number. That means root 5 is also, I can write like this also. From above, root 5 is equal to R by 7. So root 5 is also a rational number. Which contradicts my statements. Which statement is contradicting here? Which contradicts? How
Sir,
I
the
write?
root of a prime number is irrational,
Super.
sir.
Contradicts. Root prime number is irrational number. Root prime number is irrational. So it is contradicting which already proved a statement. So which I already proved a statement. So I can say my, hence instead of saying my, you can say our. Hence our assumption is wrong. So root 5 is rational, I assume. So if it is not rational, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 5, 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Simple. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next one. So what is the next question?
Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number.
Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. How will you do this question? Same. Starting initial kickstart is same. The same kind of record. Put the CD and play it. Assume root 3 plus root 5 is rational and equal to R, and say R. That is root 3 plus root 5 is equal to R. So from here I can say root 5 is equal to R minus root 3. Square on both sides. If I am squaring on both sides, what I will get? Root 5 whole square will be R minus root 3 whole square. How much you will get? 5 is equal to R square plus root 3 whole square is 3 minus 2 root 3 R according to A minus B whole square expansion. Now, from here, if I am able to solve, if I am taking 2 root 3 this side and 5 on that side, so I am making 2 root 3 R one side, R square plus 3 minus 5. This will be R square minus 2. Again, I am taking R is equal to R square minus 2 divided by, sorry, it's not R, guys. Root 3 is equal to root 3 is equal to R square minus 2 by 2R. So again, what I can conclude from here? What I can conclude from here? Guys, response. How I can write here?
Sir, it is irrational because root of prime number is irrational, sir. Root,
Yes.
3 is a prime number, sir.
If R is rational, any expression related to rational numbers is also a rational number. R square minus 2 by 2R is also rational. That says root 3 is rational, which contradicts root prime is irrational. So, therefore, our assumption is wrong. Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. I hope you're clear. We are doing so many things.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in after this step, root 3 is equal to R square minus 2 by 2R. Why can't we directly write that since the prime of, since the root of a prime
No, you have
number
to
is,
conclude that statement is rational now first. See, you are proving, you are assuming R is rational, and you are proving a root of prime is a rational. If you assume like that, you are getting root prime is a rational. So it's this statement, you are talking about this statement, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this statement, why I am mentioning very clearly here, sorry guys, it's not highlighter, I thought it's a highlighter. Why this statement I consider to write, you have to give a conclusion, this is a rational. How I can say it is rational? R is rational, so R square is also rational. 2 times of R is also a rational, and R square minus 2 also a rational, and the division of two rational numbers is also a rational. So instead of explaining all those things, these things we already done in grade 8, 9. So if R is rational, any algebraic expression related to R, it might be a quadratic equation and all, R square minus 2 by 2R is also a rational. That statement says root 3 is rational. So without saying how I can say root 3 is rational, that's the reason I am giving this conclusion statement.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So we have to say, see here, our assumption is R is a rational number. From that I am saying R square minus 2 by 2R is rational. After that only I can able to say root 3 is rational. Then it's a contradict statement.
Okay, sir.
Is clear or any confusion? See, when you are presenting,
Clear,
it's
sir.
your wish. So when you are writing on the paper, sometimes the steps will be differ, but keep it in mind, some important conclusion statement you should not miss. If you miss, when you will get a problem, suppose if the exam is happening 25, if you are getting 24, that 1 mark will differ according to the statements. If you are getting 20, 19, 18 and all, they don't bother. When you are trying to attain centum, full marks. So at those cases, they will look into the properly you presented or not, they will look. Keep it in mind, guys. So that's the reason I am asking each and every place I am giving how to represent, why I am giving each and every step. Proper conclusion statement means even 1 mark also, some people it matters for them. That's the reason I am giving. Next one. Based on the previous question, how we can do root p plus root q, prove that root p plus root q is irrational. Prove that root p plus root q is irrational, where p and q are primes. And don't say, sir, root p is a prime. So root p I can say as irrational. Root q is also, q is prime, root q is also irrational according to previous concept. Then I can say sum of two irrational is another irrational. We don't have any evident proof like that. We don't have any evident proof sum of two irrational is a irrational. It might be rational also. I will say this is root 2 minus root 2. It is 0. So this is a subtraction of two irrationals. Sorry, two irrationals. It is coming a rational. Got it? Why I am saying directly I can't assume that one. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, what to do? How to proceed with this question? Same. I told you now, same kind of compact disc or what are the music you have to play again. Assume. What do you have to assume? Assume
We have to assume root p plus root q is rational, sir.
is R where R is rational. You can keep one value left side and another value you can take it out. It's not mandatory P or Q, it's your wish. I'm taking Q on that side. R minus root Q. Square on both sides. P will be equal to R square plus Q minus 2R root Q. Keep root Q one side and take all the things on other side. 2R root Q will be equal to r square plus q minus p. From here, root q will be equal to r square minus q, sorry, plus q minus p divided by 2r. If r is prime, r, p, q are rational. Because p, q are primes, r is rational. So r square plus q minus p by 2 are also rational, which says root q is rational. But, sorry, you can write like this, but q is prime, where q is prime number as given, which contradicts this statement. Which contradicts root prime number is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root p plus root q is equal to q is irrational. Got it, guys? One more question and all, it will be easy. Right away you can write root of 2 root 3, sum or subtraction straight away. Subtraction is nothing but sum of a negative number, relative rational number. So straight away you can say, sorry, subtraction you can't say, sum of two rational numbers. Irrational numbers is always irrational if under the roots it is having prime numbers. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
No. What is the next one?
Prove that sum of a rational number and an irrational number is always an irrational number.
Prove that sum of a rational and an irrational is always an irrational number. How to do this question, guys? Anyone can kickstart how we can proceed this question? They didn't mention anything. They are mentioned, you can take our own according to given data. If given data says clearly there are two numbers, one is rational and another one is irrational, the sum is always irrational. So how we will start this question? I have to collect two numbers because they asked us to add two numbers. Let A is rational, B is irrational. So I have to prove A plus B is need to prove A plus B is irrational. So let assume A plus B is equal to R, where R is rational. See, till here it is not assumption. It's like a given data. What is our requirement? What I have to do? A plus B is equal to R, where R is rational. So I am taking B is equal to R minus A. Since R is rational It is my assumption. And A is rational. It is given. So R minus A also rational. Will you agree with me up to here?
Yes, sir.
That says B is also rational, but which contradicts the given data. Correct? Which contradicts the, but this contradicts the given data. B is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. So what we can do here? What is the statement? Therefore, A plus B. That is, A is my assumption to explain the question. I took A is one number, B is one irrational number. A plus B, that is sum of a rational and an irrational number is always irrational. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now I will give a few questions because might be because of the schoolwork you are a little busy. Still, we are having the 30 minutes time before going to the topic. I will give 5 questions. Will you able to do and will you able to upload?
Sir, there is one more question which you left, sir.
What's the question?
Prove that 1 by 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number.
Do that 1 by
2
Yes,
plus
sir.
3.
1 by 2 plus root 3 is
An
Irrational.
irrational number.
an irrational number. How you can proceed this question, guys?
Sir, we have to assume 1 by 2 root 3 is as a rational number.
Okay, next.
Sir,
Rational number is
number
R or
which
P
is
by
R.
Q? R you can take or P
R,
by Q you
sir.
can take. Okay, next.
Then keeping and we have to keep 1 at one side and R into 2 plus root 3, sir. Then by multiplying R with 2 plus root 3, we have to keep R root 3 in one side and rest in the other side and proceed.
Yeah, that is one method, ma'am. Super. To avoid confusion, we can do like this. Given number. I'm not comfortable with fractional irrational. It says clearly it is irrational, 1 by irrational. So what I'm doing is, if I am multiplying numerator with 2 minus root 3, denominator also root minus 3. What is this? Mathematical operation is called what?
Rationalizing the
Rationalizing the
denominator.
Rationalizing the denominator. So what I will get here? 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. This is 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3. That is 2 minus root 3. So 1 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now I am assuming this is R and I am proceeding. Then it will be easy for me. Assume given number is rational, given number is rational and say or. So 2 minus root 3 is also equal to given number and equal to r. From here root 3 can be written as 2 minus r. Square on both sides. Square on both sides. 3 is equal to 2 minus r whole square. This will give 4 plus r square minus 4r. Sorry guys, not required. This step is not required. Straight away you can say here,
What if prime number is irrational?
if r is rational, 2 minus r also rational. That says root 2 also rational, which contradicts root 2 is irrational. So what is the conclusion statement? Simple.
Sir, in
Our
the first step, you rationalize the and you
yes.
took 2
See
minus root
what
3,
she
sir.
said, without rationalizing also we can do, but it is a little bit long process. That's it. Some more calculation will come. Sorry, sir, you're asking something again. You ask?
Sir, I was asking that did you rationalize and take it, sir? And
Yes.
I got it.
After
Sir.
rationalizing, I am started the question.
Okay, sir.
There is no mistake in that. Am I right? Is correct or without?
Correct, sir.
You are unable to get the idea of rationalizing, you can proceed, but it will take 1 or 2 steps extra. Therefore, one by 2 plus root 3 is, our assumption is wrong, which contract our assumption is wrong. You write the statement, our assumption is wrong. 1 by 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this question we missed. Yeah, going. Guys, I'm giving some more questions. You have to prove, you have to do it now. I'm going to give 20 minutes time. Not required also. So prove that root 6 is an irrational number. Show that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Prove that 1 by root 11 is an irrational number. If it is root 11, straight away we can say, we already proved. If it is 1 mark or 2 mark, we know root of prime number is a irrational number. So root 11, where 11 is a prime number, so root 11 is a irrational number. Try to do these 3 questions and submit. I will tell you how to submit. You just complete it first. Meanwhile, you start. I'm going to give some more extra questions which they asked in your board examination, earlier board examination. Many times they asked to prove that root 2 is irrational. Many times they asked for 3 marks. The scope of asking 4 marks, 5 marks is very less, almost 2 marks, 3 marks from this topic. Prove that 2 minus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. That's it. Try these 4 questions neatly. Getting the answer is not important. These kind of questions, because this is not calculation basic question. This is like a proof questions. Like you have to give the conclusion statements and you have to explain. Each and every step you have to explain why, the reason, like a reasoning basic questions, I can say. Hope you are clear with the questions. No doubts with the questions. Am I right? Guys, meanwhile, if anyone having any kind of like, sir, how to write, I stuck here, please let me know. Don't hesitate to ask any doubts. It's like a kind of, don't feel like a test. It's like a practice, a surprise test or something, a small kind of assessment. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If anyone completed, please let me know.
Sir, I did all the questions except the first one, sir.
Why first
Sir,
one? What
The
happened?
first one, sir, I didn't get the answers. I got confused, sir. I don't know like how to like approach to the questions. So shall we like take it as root of 2 into root of 3?
Yes, you can take.
Sir, and one more question you didn't explain, sir. 1 minute, sir. I'll just take that, sir.
Previous one. I think we discussed everything.
Sir, in previous one, there was a question. Prove that root 10 is an irrational number.
Oh,
So that was also a question, sir. I had noted it as well.
okay. Let them complete everyone. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
If you done, you try like this, man. Root 6, can you try root 2 into root 3? And
Yes, sir. I'm trying, sir.
m is equal to r. Take r, you can take root 10, root 6 is equal to p by q, and you can proceed square on both sides.
Okay, sir.
Also can able to do. Try it.
Okay, okay, sir. I'm trying that again, sir.
Once done, you can upload in app. I think you know how to upload in app, correct? I opened a tab for these 4 questions in the app. You can upload in app.
Sir, actually, I don't have the app now.
Madam?
Sir, I don't have the app now, sir.
Okay, if you don't have app, I think you can share the message in group now. Am I right?
Okay, sir, I'm sending you.
You can share in group. I can save it. I will download and I will save.
Sir, can I send now?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you start sending?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
you can send if any. See, try to upload in app. We are providing an app. In future reference also we can have. If possible, upload. If you don't have, who don't have the app, you can send it to. Share it in group. Not a problem. I will
Okay, sir.
download and I will delete myself. I will ask the sir to delete the documents. But try to upload in app. You can maintain a file, a virtual file. You can maintain all the tests throughout the year. What we done, we can maintain like a file. So if done,
Can I
please.
send before today, like tonight?
Sorry, I didn't get you, ma'am. Can you speak loudly?
Sir, can I? Yes, sir. Can I send it tonight?
Tonight? Why 4 questions tonight?
Sir, I completed, sir, but I don't have the app now because it is in my father's phone.
Yeah, you can send it tonight. Not a problem.
Okay, sir.
And at least this is an experience how to complete the test in a right time, and uploading also can be done. Guys, done? Aditi, Akshita, Amrita, Arman, Brulav,
Sir,
Harita,
last question, sir.
Janavi,
Yes, sir.
Sanyu
The
Kumar,
first
and
question about everything is completed, sir.
yeah, that question you got root 6. You didn't get?
Sir, I'm in the third step, sir. I'm solving it, sir.
Okay. Okay. Carry on. I'll wait here. Guys, shall I close the session?
Completed, sir.
Yeah. Please upload. If you are unable to upload tonight or somehow, you can send through the WhatsApp. Not a problem. But as of now, but next time onwards, try to upload through the apps. So we can
Okay, sir.
maintain all those documents as a reference for like any exams and all. You can refer what we done earlier, what are the tests we done, what are the things we missed. Yeah. Shall I close the session?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We'll meet in next class. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.